Joylee Rejuvenate Repair Cream. So this cream is great in healing for baby yang ada eczema, diaper rashes, and also mosquito bites, skin itchiness. Normally baby will have diaper rashes, yang tu memang biasa baby akan dapat. And by using the product, it's fragrance free, alcohol free, hypoallergenic, rich in vitamin A and E, and also it is steroid free. So it's very useful for your baby that have skin problems. So my baby has been used this Joylee Rejuvenate Repair Cream since 2020. My first child, also my second child. My first child dia kulit dia cerah, so it is very sensitive. Biasa orang kulit cerah memang ada kulit sensitif lah. And then bila dia start ada rashes, dia susah nak baik. So after I use this Joylee Rejuvenate Repair Cream, barulah kulit dia start getting better. This cream is very useful for babies sebab dia tak ada steroid lah. So steroid tu ada banyak side effect which is not good for your baby. I think this Joylee Rejuvenate Repair Cream is the best choice for your baby that have sensitive skin and also eczema.